In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and connect items automatically in Monday.com. Let's dive right in and explore how you can optimize your workflow using Monday.com's powerful automation features. To begin, you'll need to have two boards set up in Monday.com. Think of the first board as your main board. This is where the trigger event will happen, such as in a projects board. Your second board, the connected board, is where new items will be created automatically. For instance, this could be your tasks or subtasks board. Imagine this like creating a domino effect. Whenever a new project kicks off on your projects board, a corresponding task is automatically set up on your tasks board, which can save you time and hassle. Now let's get into automation. At the top right of your board, there's an icon that looks like a little robot. Go ahead and click that to open the Automation Center. From there, select Create Custom Automation. This is where you'll build the rules that govern your boards. Next up is choosing your trigger. This is the specific event that will kick off the automation process. You might choose something like when an item is created, when a status changes to something specific, or when a certain date arrives. Each of these triggers gives you control over how and when the automation is activated. Once you have your trigger set, it's time to define what action should follow. Select the option to create an item in another board. Here, you'll need to define the target board where this new item will live. You'll find a drop-down menu where you can choose your target, like assigning items to a specific group within the task board, and you can even set options to mirror or connect data. Mapping your fields is key in ensuring that information travels smoothly between boards. For example, you can map item names from the projects board to project names on the tasks board, assign people according to your needs, and set deadlines. This makes sure all your relevant info carries over effortlessly. To keep things synchronized, add a Connect Boards column to both of your boards, allowing you to view and update linked items side by side. You can enhance the setup by including a mirror column to pull in values such as status or dates from connected boards. Testing your automation is an essential step. Create a new item like website launch on your main board and check if it automatically appears on your connected board. Changes should synchronize instantly if mirrored correctly. You can even expand your setup with additional features like sub-items or dependencies using templates. And don't forget, combining these automations with notifications can elevate your workflow further. Imagine automating a creation of items, notifying team members, and assigning tasks automatically to ensure that everyone stays in the loop and your projects move seamlessly from one stage to the next. With these steps, you've set up a robust automated system in Monday.com that will facilitate your project management and enhance team collaboration, making your daily operations smoother and more efficient.